As always, if we're going to pull this off, we're going to need a few tools to help us succeed. They are, in no particular order, a trim removal kit, anyone from Amazon will do, a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, we're big Wera fans around here, T20, T25, T30 bits, I like this set, a drill extender, you obviously don't need one this big, a cordless drill, we are big DeWalt fans as well, and then this little pick tool. And since it's sharp, I'm going to go ahead and pull it away like that. The door panel is held in place by a series of mechanical fasteners. Let's cover their whereabouts now. Almost all of them are hiding under these cosmetic trim plugs that are easily popped off with a trim removal tool. This first fastener in the upper corner is removed with a T25 Torx bit. I've found using a pick tool on these tighter areas works a bit better than the trim removal tool. I've also found using a drill extender like the one you see here helps access the screws better in these areas too. Obviously you don't need the foot-long version like I have here, but I figured it illustrated the point better. This plug in the handhold is probably the worst to remove. Getting under the front with a pick tool and prying up was the way I went about it. You know, in hindsight, this 12-inch extender does look pretty ridiculous. Anyways, use a T30 Torx bit for this one. Yo, Mercedes, why doesn't our Sprinter have these caps over these bolts and this cavity on both doors? This is a weird way to claw back margins for shrinkflation, but we're gonna go ahead and pay you a few more dollars anyway. I already checked the fitment. It's the same as that bolt in the upper corner. We will put the link to the product we buy in the description below. Okay, end rant. There are 2 more fasteners in this little storage cubby and they come out with a T30 Torx bit. After we've removed all 5 main mounting bolts, there are 3 of the stupidest fasteners on earth that we need to take care of. These plastic screws expand a clip inside the door and they are notorious for stripping, so use a manual number 2 Phillips screwdriver. You also need to make sure that said clip doesn't spin, so I apply pressure with my thumb while I slowly back the screw out. And then once the screw is out, you can pop out the clip. With all the fasteners removed, you can now work your way around the door panel, popping out the plastic clips with a quick short yanking motion. Note there are 2 hooks on the bottom edge of the door panel, so you don't need to pull on that edge. There's a cable attached to the door handle. I find a trim removal tool works best to lever out the yellow part from the door and also for removing the metal hook from its plastic piece as well. Once unclipped, it simply slides up and out. Near the upper part of the door, our van had 3 connectors. One is for the door locks, another is for the window controls, and the last one is for the heated seats. Yours may differ slightly if your van is spec'd with different options. Then the last thing we needed to remove was the connection for the speaker, and the door panel simply pivots out and off the bottom hooks. Alright friends, that wraps up this video. We hope you found this helpful for removing your door panel if you're looking to install sound deadener, insulation, or maybe looking to upgrade that stereo system. If you're enjoying our content, give us a thumbs up. It really helps us out. If you have any questions, drop a comment in the comment section below. And on your way down there, don't forget to slap that subscribe button. We'll see you next time.